Hey guys, I'm Amy. This is our company's another luxury camper trailer, Basecamp 3C. Do you want to know how it unfolds? Let me show you. First of all, we need to lower the support leg. Take out the lifter from the storage box from the rear of the trailer. Loosen the adjust nut and put the handle lock outward while it is loosened lock. The support leg can be easily put down. Then adjust the height of the supporting legs, which is the same for all four supporting legs.
Secondly, you must unfold the roof of the bolt frame, unscrew the nut, pull out the bolt, and open the latch. The bolt frame will bounce quickly through to get struck. Be careful not to stand on the opposite side to avoid accidental injury. After the bolt frame is open, press down and keep it level. Then insert the bolt and turn the knot, then close the latch. Then open the rear spare tire frame, unscrew the nut in the same way, pull out the bolt, open the latch, drop the spare tire frame, insert the bolt, screw on the nut and close the latch. Next, pull out the release pin and open the lock. There are a total of 4 locks on left and right. With the help of your partner, open the tent cover on the left together. After pushing the tent cover on the right in the same way, take out the support rod and connect on the rear of the trailer and the tent cover. Then you can enter the tent. Then use key to open the door and lower the passenger step wheel opening door. When entering the tent, need unfold the left tent support pole in trailer firstly, and then the middle tent support pole. Pay attention to the vertical and tent support pole. They are unfolding in the same way. Then plug in the power socket and the light in the trailer will be turned up normally. Place the cushions around U-shaped seat area and pull out the table. Look, this is full expanded tent trailer. There is a rest area in the middle. Many drawers and lockers are underneath. There are 2 queen-size beds on both sides and 3-layer windows around tent. 2 layers of the canvas on the inside and outside, and the screen window in the middle layer. So ventilation is very good. You can even enjoy the beautiful scenery on the bed. Similarly, the privacy of the double-sided canvas is also very good. Behind the door is an external pull-out kitchen. Pull down the support legs and tighten the screws. This is the pull-out chopping board. Compared to before, this one is more convenient. Then there is a 4-burner gas stove with a windproof plate. Open the cover, unfold and set the windbreak. It is very safe for using. You can also put some kitchenware and tableware in the drawer below. And there the sink has a folding faucet, water-grade extension kitchen.
The space in the trailer is very big and comfortable. There is no doubt that this trailer can sleep in 6 people. So this is the most popular luxury camper trailer, Basecamp 3C. If you are interested, please have a message below. See you in the next issue.